Which animal can break bones in just one bite? Let's talk bite force measured in PSI.
Wolf. Bite force around 1200 PSI, strong enough to crush large prey bones. Lion. Bite force about 650 PSI, not the strongest, but deadly and precise. Tiger. Bite force nearly 1050 PSI, powerful enough to crack skulls. Grizzly bear. Bite force around 1160 PSI. One bite can shatter bones. Hippopotamus. Bite force over 1800 PSI, capable of snapping a crocodile. Saltwater crocodile. Bite force 3700 PSI, the strongest bite on Earth.